welcome for another wonderful episode of Rise Talk. If you don't know us by now, I'm Moses Adesimilolu.
And I'm LaShawn Adesimilolu.
And we are the founders of
Rise Business Solutions.
And what do?
We help individuals, we help tax
entrepreneurs to build, scale, and sell their profitable
tax businesses.
Just like that. You know what I'm saying, guys? So if you are out there, if you're needing this, pay attention and just listen. So today we're going to be talking to you about email marketing. Cha-ching. If you were not doing email marketing in your business, you were missing out a whole lot.
Yes.
Roughly about 7 years ago?
Yeah.
We didn't know nothing about no email marketing. Trust me, guys. We would just talk about, we're filing taxes.
Right.
And, it's just we're filing taxes. And, we just filing taxes. Don't know nothing else about nothing. About even running a business.
Right.
So we got with a coach, and this coach was like, you guys are making money in your tax business, but you could really be making a whole lot more money by running your business in systems. Yes.
Exactly.
By running your business with systems.
Systems, guys, that's the key word. That is what's going to make you not stress yourself out during the tax season. You start making money in your sleep, and you can build a team because you actually have systems in place, so you don't have to do all the work yourself.
Yes. So we're going to talk about email marketing right now.
Yes.
For you taxpreneurs out there, you better be email marketing all the time to your clients, to your prospects,
everybody.
To everybody.
All right, so today we're going to talk about 3 ways that you can use email marketing, guys, to build your tax business. All right, the first way that you can use email marketing is just to send out emails to prospective clients. All right, you're going to send emails to everybody. And then what do you send? So when we first got started with email marketing, we're like, what do we send people? I don't want to send a whole bunch of spam. What do we even send? The best thing that you can do is just send out tax tips to people, because honestly, a lot of people don't know things about taxes, especially with the new tax reform and all the new tax changes. They don't know anything. So we send out weekly tips to our email list just about different things that they can expect to change this season. And you will be very surprised, guys. Every time we send out an email, at least 1 to 5 people will respond back and either, say something, or they'll request a consultation, or they're going to ask us something. And so it definitely is working, and it helps us to build our email list and build our brand and build our authority as well. Yes. People start recognizing us as an authority figure in the tax industry.
Yes. And that's really very important to actually send these tips out to your clients, or just tips out to everybody, to email, because when you are giving them these tips, is put you in a position to look like a professional, first of all. And then second of all, you're looking knowledgeable. So you are actually helping them out with tax tips, with information that they never thought to even look for.
Exactly. And it separates you guys from a lot of other tax businesses, because just think, how many tax businesses do you know that sends out emails?
Exactly.
Besides H&R Block, Liberty, Jackson Hewitt, the big ones, no other smaller companies are doing that. So you can separate yourself and be an elite taxpreneur by doing those little things that separate you from everybody else. All right, so that's tip number 1. Use email marketing to send out emails to prospective clients.
All right, so number 2 is you are actually touching your clients. You are making yourself become more relevant. You are making yourself become more constant. You are being constant. When the clients, trust me, when the clients, even if they don't open your email, like I've had a client that hit me up and said, I've been getting your emails all year. Now it's tax season. I was looking for your number, but I couldn't find it. And I knew that you guys will send me another email, and sure enough,
you got
there goes your email. So now I can contact you. So basically what what I'm saying is you are being constant. They keep seeing you. They keep seeing you, even if they're not saying nothing.
Right.
Even if they're not opening the email, they keep seeing you. So the more they're seeing you, the more it's going into their subconscious.
Yes.
Okay? It's going into the subconscious and it's registering that, oh, this is an actual tax company. Even if they're not gonna come to you, they will send somebody.
Yeah.
I've had somebody who you know, even she didn't come to me to do her taxes, but she was like, oh, is it okay if I forward your email to somebody who was asking me for a tax? I'm like, please, forward my email. That's the main reason why I'm sending you this email. It's a touch point. I'm touching you because I want to look relevant to you. I want you to remember me and not say, oh, it's taxes and let me go to H&R Block because they got the name. Let me go to Jackson Hewitt because they got the name.
Yes, that
okay.
Consistency breeds success. So you want to stay consistent. So when you do start doing email marketing, make sure you're consistent. How often are you going to send out emails? Is it weekly, daily, monthly, bi-weekly? Whatever you're going to do, make sure you stay consistent. Just think about things that you can share with your audience and stay consistent with it, and you will begin to see results. Like Moses said, I had a bunch of people tell me like, oh, you know, you always emailing me. I'm like, oh yeah, I am. And they love it. And
they love it.
Even people who will skip you one year, you know how people do, they'll come back because they keep getting your emails, and you stay in their subconscious mind.
Exactly.
Right? So that's very, very powerful. So number 3, a third way that you can use email marketing is basically to send out coupons and discounts to a select group of people. So for example, this year in our office park, where we're with other businesses, we actually got the emails to the other businesses around us and sent out a special offer just for them. So the email went something like, hi neighbor, you know, we are your local tax pros. We would love to offer you a discount of $100 on your business taxes this year. And that went well. People responded well to it because, first of all, we're in the area. It's very easy for them to come and get their taxes done. The like, know, and trust factor is there. And the email marketing just, you know, makes us seem so much more professional because, first of all, nobody else is doing that, guys. You just have to remember, do things that nobody else is doing to separate yourself. So that is another way that you can effectively use email marketing to build your tax business.
Yes. Just because you're not a Fortune 500 company does not mean that you can't operate like a Fortune 500 company.
Yes.
Okay?
Technology.
So use your resources to create the life that you want for yourself.
Absolutely.
So we're gonna recap on all this.
Yes.
Okay? We've talked about 3 points that is important for email marketing.
Yes.
And what's the first one?
The first one is to use email marketing to send out emails to prospective clients to build your brand.
Exactly.
Number 2 is to use email marketing to continue touching and tapping and knocking on your client's virtual door.
Exactly.
And number 3 is to use email marketing to send out coupons and discounts to a select group of people to build your brand.
To build a brand.
All right. Those are 3 ways that you can effectively use email marketing. We talk about this and more, guys, in our Taxpreneur Elite Mastermind that is coming up. If you are a tax entrepreneur and you are ready to set up your business to sell and not fail, to thrive, then definitely you need to contact us. You can look in the description of this video to get on the wait list for TIM, the Taxpreneur Elite Mastermind.
And look, guys, to speak about that, we are so excited right now because as soon as the rush of tax season is over, we are hitting this full force, talking to taxpreneurs, talking to the elite
like you.
Preneurs, mastermind, people who are looking to grow themselves, who are looking to grow them businesses, who is just looking to better themselves.
Yes.
You don't have to be a Fortune 500 company to run like a Fortune 500 company.
I'm telling you guys.
Seriously.
We are just your everyday average people,
everyday
and we can do it. If we can do it, there's no reason why you cannot do it.
Because we're not too smart.
Well,
we're not like extremely smart that you can't even comprehend what we're saying. We're smart enough for an average person to comprehend what we are giving you in this Taxpreneur Mastermind. This is something that is going to change your life. This is something that is going to really help your life, and this is something that you could even pass on to your kids.
And that's very
as a
important.
legacy.
It's very, very important, y'all,
All right.
because the way the economy is going, you want to, even with the taxes, if you guys have noticed, it's favoring businesses now opposed to employees.
Exactly.
So you want to set yourself up to be favored, right?
Exactly.
So that's it for this week, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified every time we come up with a new video, because you do not want to miss it.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this was really helpful to you, whoever was watching. If you know anybody that might need this information, please feel free to share this information around. Spread it all to the world and let them see